Beautifully updated home. Walking distance to pool and park. This home is more affordable than rent. Home has new windows and siding in 2018, as well as water heater and softener. Home also equipped with a new smart home security system. Spacious decks on front and back. Wiring updated as well since 2009. 4 bedrooms, 1.5 baths with a dining room. 4th bedroom has a window and ensuite half bath, no closet. Living room had neutral colors, detailed chair railing. There is an existing flue if you want to put in wood stove. Kitchen has new tile backsplash, hickory cabinets, newer lighting fixtures and ceiling fans throughout. Storage closet / walk-in pantry big enough for a small freezer. There is an attic fan, and the main bath has a dressing area. 8 by 12 shed has 2 lofts in it for storage. The property is on a nice paved street next to City Park and Pool in Crocker. Quick access to FD. Wood.